following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Patrick County, Virginia. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Bedford County, Virginia. Tornado watch number 108 remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Caswell and Rockingham, and the following counties in Virginia: Bedford, Cal, Floyd, Franklin, Halifax, Henry, Patrick, and Pennsylvania, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Bedford, Danville, and Martinsville. Severe thunderstorm watch number 107 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Virginia: Allegheny and Rockbridge, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Buena Vista, Covington, and Lexington. Severe thunderstorm watch number 105 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Virginia: Bland, Botetourt, Craig, Giles, Montgomery, Pulaski, Roanoke, and Will, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Galax, Radford, Roanoke, and
Ooh.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for City of Martinsville in South Central Virginia, Henry County in South Central Virginia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 6:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Spencer, or near Sandy Ridge, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Spencer, Horse Pasture, Martinsville City. Doppler radar has indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a structure, such as a basement or small interior room. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of quarter or larger sized hail, as well as wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday evening for northwestern North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. The following is a summary of